Hey folks, hello. Welcome to the late night, at least for old people like me. So let's do some coding today again. I have my Coke ready, and I've been doing some writing, some game writing, and I think that's been super interesting. So let me share something. I have my Stream Deck ready, which is pretty cool. Starting to figure out the streaming stuff a little bit. Anyways, this is the gaming engine I've been using. Let me know if there's audio issues, something else doesn't work, or if the music is too loud. Actually, I think it's too quiet. Yeah, so this is the engine that I've been using. It's an open source game engine. Didn't really know much about it. I've heard it before, but I didn't want to go down the Unity path. I think that's a bit boring. I wanted to see what's available there, out there, and what I can do. Now, of course, I'm too old to learn a new thing, so I'm using LLMs. I'm using Claude to build this. They provide there's a nice project that provides a nice MCP for it. So this worked very easily, and there's also a bunch of agentic skills. Don't know how official this is, but there's this bunch of stuff here. So I did first load these things in. I started building some game stuff. But if you look at you might compare this to something like. Let me make sure. So compare this to something like Unity and so on. It's not far away, man. You can do a lot of stuff with this engine. This is the showcase video, so you can find this on the Godot website. You can do a lot of things with this. So I was pretty impressed. I don't want to play the whole video, but I was pretty impressed with the engine. It's very easy to use, at least with LLMs, of course. Yeah, the game engine or the game tool itself is not the prettiest thing on the planet, but it works. So let me show how it looks like. Let me fire this up. So this is the project editor. It works. So you can imagine how this feels like. But I haven't used any of this, so I just use Claude. I just use Claude for everything. Sorry, I'm kind of distracted with chat. The way I started the project, I kind of wanted to do something simple. I've done game dev before, but very little. I've built a full game system for tabletop miniature game. So that's kind of an interesting parallel to my game development history, but I haven't done any computer game developments as such. I did build 5+ years ago, I built a gaming engine on Android because I wanted to build kind of a zombie tower defense type of thing. So instead of using a game engine, I just built the game engine myself. It was a fun project. I tried to find it, but I've lost the code in time. Not that it really wasn't very good. It worked, but it wasn't anything special. Of course, no point using nowadays anything like that. So I started with this game engine. I started less than 24 hours ago, so I started last night to build the first parts of the game. Let me show where I'm at. So I wanted to build an isometric game. I don't want to present anything complex. Also, yeah, just to be clear, this is not. I'm not going to be selling or trying to do this game. Not very complex stuff. But there's just more me trying to figure out where the limitations of these kind of game engines are. So here's the game running on my Windows computer. Let me change the full screen mode, so you can actually see the whole game. It's running on Windows, so you see the background. But here's my dude, and it's a kind of isometric game. The assets are generated assets. Doesn't really look very good, but it's a kind of a zombie survival shooting thingy, wave shooter. It's not like something that wins game design awards. The idea just is that I can run around in an endless world. There's different type of terrain, so my dude runs faster on a road. The zombies always go the same speed. There's some different type of zombies. Later on, my dude goes very slow on the mud, so zombies will catch me up. If I run on the road, they will never catch me. There's a very little ammunition available. Oh shit! And there's this craters underground. There's about 50% chance of me falling when I run over on one of them. So then I can run around. There's different kind of weapons. There's 3 different weapons at the moment: shotgun, rifle, and a pistol. There's health kits, so I can go try to find a health kit. Here I got a health kit. If I go to this sand area, I'm much slower than the zombies. Seems like there's a bug. They didn't attack me, even though they caught me. It makes the game very easy if they don't attack. And then basically there's just mostly pistol ammunition around. And then there's a big zombies and fast zombies, and then there's this kind of ranged zombies. Oh no. That's pretty much it. It's just running around. Oh, here's special ammo. I just got a rifle ammo. Rifle penetrates to the zombies, but the ammo is very limited. Oh, there's a big guy. Oh, run out of ammo. Mouse wheel, I can switch the weapon type. Otherwise, it's not a very kind of special gameplay loop. Eventually, you will run out of money. They have these fast zombies that run faster than me, so you should save ammo to kill those. Otherwise, you can just basically keep running away forever. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna win any game awards with this one. It's endlessly scrolling, so it generates the terrain while I'm going. At some point, you will lose because you will either fall in a hole and they will catch you, or you make a mistake, or you run out of bullets to kill these fast guys, and then you will just die. It's kind of it spawns these hordes. They spawn faster and faster, and eventually you just run out of luck. Like you see, this fast guy is catching me up, and I don't have bullets. So what can I do? I have bullets for rifle. Now they're gone as well, and I haven't gotten a shotgun yet. Maybe I can trap them in here. I can maybe make some of them fall and fail to follow me. Yeah. Oh no. Okay, there we go. It wasn't even my best run. That's it, and then they all spass out and just go whatever. Anyways, that's basically it. The gameplay, not much going on. I think there's a bug. So some of them caught me, but they didn't attack. I just get Claude to figure that stuff out. In general, I think it's quite interesting the way how much you can get done in a very short amount of time when you use LLMs here. The implications to game dev are pretty massive. Not that I think people will make a lot of money with LLM games. I know there's interesting stuff happening in Steam, how Steam is deprioritizing or flagging LLM games, and people, the game buyers really hate them, justifiably so, because most of the stuff is just slop. But what I've been doing today basically after last night, I've been working then during the day and doing some small iterations on the game. And my son has been playing with the game, and he really likes to play the game. My son is 6 years old, and he was just saying, "Okay, can we just make you fall when you run across these craters?" Okay, and then I asked Claude to do that, and this is kind of again, he probably gets bored with it in 2 days, but the amount of time it makes to build a simple game, it's going to be interesting how it's going to change the game environment, in a sense that somebody like my son, of course, he will want to play Minecraft and Call of Duty, all of those kind of things. But on the other side, maybe there's going to be games that he wants to build himself, or my daughter. It's just the effort to build the game is so small if you do something simple like this. Now, I do have some ambitions around this game. This kind of hidden, it's a bit like a smoke screen for what I actually want to do in the end. Right now I want to figure out what the engine can do and how I can control it and all of things like that. I want to look at the asset store and things like that. And like I said, I'm not gonna sell. I'm probably not gonna even distribute the game. I just think it's not worth it. But I want to understand where the limits are and when do I run to the limits in building software like this. And I kind of want to build something to connect to my bicycle application. So I have this indoor training application that connects my smart trainer when I ride a bike inside. And I used to use Zwift, which is this kind of indoor bike training. Let me show you those who don't know. So Zwift. Loading. So this is Zwift. Accept. So Zwift is like a World of Warcraft for actual riding a bicycle. What you do, let's switch to a language that is more people read. So you connect to your smart trainer. Smart training is basically a Bluetooth connected indoor bike. You're going to put your own bike on it, but it just connects to your computer with Bluetooth and tells you how hard you pedal. And how hard you pedal changes. Oh, here's a smart trainer, for example. It shows you then how hard you pedal and you move faster if you pedal harder, basically. And the world is MMO in a sense that if you ride in this imaginary Zwift world, anybody else who's in the same place, you can see them. It's pretty cool. I then used this software called Ruby afterwards. I used Zwift for a bit, and then America turned hostile, so I chose not to do Ruby anymore, Zwift anymore. So I switched to Ruby, which is a Czechian company. Again, it's in Deutsch. Let me switch things. It was a Czechian company from Czech Republic, and it's the same idea. It's a kind of like a live together with others, but instead of a 3D computer world, they had videos that played different speed depending how right, but you still saw the other people. Now, the thing that happened was that Zwift did buy this company. So Ruby is now owned by Zwift, and it's also American, so I didn't feel like staying there. So I built my own bike application, which is this little app here. And this has nothing to do with the game. It's just a way to control the trainer I have downstairs, and I can run a structured workout. I built an editor that allows me to edit these workouts and create structured workout and maybe help me to ride the bike a little bit more. But I kind of miss the gaming aspect of it. But I don't want to build something like Ruby or Zwift. Why would I? They already exist. But I think instead I would like to control a game on the screen. So most people write on a screen and something like that. So yeah, let's see where it goes. So my intention now basically is to is just to try and see how far I can get with this setup. So today I will be writing something like I'll be trying something like level system, maybe do something like roguelite approach on it, so you can do more runs. I haven't played computer games for a very, very long time. Maybe my age shows. I don't have time to play games. I have time to play games only if I build them myself. But so let's see how it goes. I don't know how long the stream is going to be, but yeah, the downside of this LLM streams is it's mostly just me talking and watching Claude do something. But in this case, I think we can probably play the game while Claude is building something. But I guess I go back to my bad habits and drink Coke and stay late too long. I'm almost 50. I get to stay late up as long as I want to. Cool. I just basically wanted to fix this attack animation problem. But now that it's finished, let me run the game again. All right, let's just see that the zombies actually attack me when they catch me. Yeah, they do now. Yes, they do. Good. Okay, now the game is much more difficult because I can't just keep running through them. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Now, what I kind of think I want to do here, just to experiment, is I think the gameplay loop is just fine now. There's nothing really that needs to happen other than this. Oh, the pistol is hidden behind the tree. It's fine. Maybe there's, quite a bit could be tweaked here. But what I want to do is to kind of have the macro game, like what happens after you die and so on. So I think I'm going to create a kind of in-game currency thing here, not an in-app purchase currency, but in-game currency, basically what you're gathering when you're doing here. So kind of it gives you a little bit purpose to run around and try to keep going. Otherwise, it's just running away from zombies until you die. But basically giving a kind of a purpose, so you gather something. And I have this kind of idea, instead of just having a shop where you can then buy weapons for your next run, I kind of want to do some base building. Don't know how to tie it up with this kind of game loop, but yeah, now it's much more difficult to run through zombies. But something to do with the money would be just to build kind of a base. It's a little bit like a direction to Clash of Clans type of thing. Basically, just building something that helps you. Your resources makes you a little bit. Yeah, I might try that. So how do we go about building it? I think firstly we need to build some kind of maybe scrap is the way to quantify isn't that the survival asset or a survival currency? I don't think we want to gather coins or gems or anything like that. We're not Candy Crush. So let's create a home base for the character. The base is just a tent. between we should create a main home screen for the game where the current status let's define that later. Status, they can inspect their home base or and start a new run. Let's think this as roguelite, meaning that currency. Or should we do this extraction thing? If we just run and gather, let's do it later. But I like this kind of game mode where it's this Ark Survivor and all of these kind of things where you kind of have to extract, otherwise you lose your stuff. It creates this kind of interesting feeling of like gambling. Okay, maybe I go and get one more. But yeah, okay, let's just meaning that the currency gathered in the run is preserved and added to the base. Okay. And currency we are using is going to is scrap. For now, it's just a simple count. Simply how much scrap we have. On a base. So let's only scrap. Zombies should drop scrap randomly. These drops should be somewhat scarce. I don't know how to write that. Zombies drop some scrap randomly when they die. Bigger, more dangerous zombies should have default drop rate should be how much scrap we want to drop. 1 in 10 is too many. Should be 1 scrap and 20 deaths of normal zombies. The other zombies drop rate should be correspond to their attack damage. It's not quite correct, but it's fine. There should also be random scrap caches on the map that the character can pick up. After the run is over, we show how much. Okay, this is going to be quite a long command, so it's going to take some time. So I think what we're going to do while waiting, we're going to be probably just playing the game. Yeah. it always shows so when you start, you have no weapon, and then it shows you where you can find the pistol. There's a little bit kind of oops, there's a big guy immediately. There's a little bit of problem in the sense that the other weapons don't need to be found. So once you have a pistol, you can shoot whatever. I think gameplay wise, I think that's fine. I think it would be annoying that you have to find different type of ammo, and then you need to find different type of, God damn, I'm bad at shooting. You know, different type of ammo, and then you need to find different type of weapons as well to use the ammo. I don't like that. So I think it's like, okay, once you have a weapon, you good. You good. Oh no, this is so difficult now compared to before I fixed the bugs. So I need to preserve my ammo to make sure I can shoot the fast runners. Damn it. Yeah, it's now very punishing if you make a mistake. This guy's too close. If you make a mistake, you will immediately get hit. But yeah, only the fast runners can catch me. They make a little bit less damage, but they will catch me, and they will. Oh no, big guy. The big guys take 2 shots with the pistol. With rifle, they just take 1. Damn it. Yeah, basically just running on. Oh no, the roads. Up. Yeah, at the moment the gameplay is effectively, hey, when you make a mistake, you die. And I think that's not really an interesting gameplay, although my son is just playing it endlessly anyways. But I think it needs to be, there needs to be a little bit more risk and reward, and I think the scrap thing might be a thing. So what we might do something like, oh damn it, well, we might, oh no, we might do something like on whenever there's a scrap cache somewhere, we might make it be guarded by more difficult zombies or something. Also, we need to AoE. There need to be a way to clear this. Otherwise, with this way, it's just running away from this horde all the time, and it will never end because you will never get enough ammo to kill all of them, even if you get the better weapons. And also, it's a bit annoying. The better weapons they spawn only on places that have like weapon shops and shops, but the assets that are weapon shops, oh no, are really shit. Are really kind of they're not recognizable. So I hate this. I don't want the end to be this kind of, they just jumping around. Cool. Let's go. Let's go pick up a weapon first. So I don't know, like how does a weapon shop look like, which is a bit annoying. But yeah, I don't. I got here we go. Here's a weapon and cache. Oop. Yeah. That's a rifle. There we go. Rifle has penetration, so it's no point shooting these guys yet. Need to stack them up, and then you can. Oh no, I'm so shit. Damn it. I'm so bad at this game. Pressure eases. I don't think it does. Oh no, I'm so stupid. Damn it. Trying to aim and shoot, and then I run into these holes. Maybe it's realistic. I'm looking backwards and there's better ammo, rifle ammo. That's great. Yeah, maybe we should make this kind of better ammo stuff as well, kind of some kind of guidance which direction they are at. Okay, the rifle. Yeah. Oh, shit. These fast runners are annoying. Health kit. Whoa. You go away. Yes. This is shotgun. Now I have shotgun ammo. Yeah. Oof. God damn. Haha. No more ammo. Okay, I quite like the UI. It's very easy to see, but they're very stacked. Like the weapons and the health bar, everything is stacked. Oh, that's a better weapon. stack on top of each other. Maybe the weapons should be at the top and the health bar at the bottom or something. I don't know. Also, I really don't have much time to look at anywhere. I'm trying to figure out, oh shit, if I have, damn it. This is one hole and you're out. I don't really have time to look what weapons I have and what ammo I do have. This is shotgun, I think. Yes. Let's save it a little bit. Oh no! I now need a health kit really badly. Because I screwed up. Shotgun, shotgun, rifle, rifle. Oh no. Damn it, go away. No ammo at all. Damn it. Okay. Okay. Well, that worked. Let me see what Claude is saying. Still working on it. Or should we actually take a look at the game structure and the code? I think it would make sense, as some people might be interested about the way the whole thing works. Is this scripting language they use? I don't have highlighter on here, but it's I think like a C# type of scripting language. I'm quite happy I don't have to learn a new programming language, and LLMs can handle all of this for me. But if I were to want to put this game out there, I would not feel comfortable without looking at the code at all, because I don't understand the game engine well enough to really be able to understand what it's doing. But yeah. There's some ammo, but I don't have a pistol. Come on. There we go. There we go. What if the game will crash at some point because the Claude is changing the code in the background? I don't know how it works, if it actually is if the runtime will change when the code is being changed. Yes. Shotgun. You guys, piss off. Horde is coming, but I have a shotgun. There we go. You guys, screw. Doom. Yes. One more shotgun round. Didn't work. So yeah, you notice there's an aim assist a little bit. I think, otherwise it would be pretty annoying if it would be just one direction, because the bullets count so as it basically shoots the nearest one. It's, of course, if I shoot completely wrong direction, it won't hit. But if I shoot, oh damn it, a little bit right direction, damn it. Okay, you go away so I can pick this. Nice, I cleared everything. Wave 3. Nice, wave 3, and I get to go and in peace get some of my stuff. What's this? That's a health pack. Pixels are a little bit. Okay, now execute. Wow! And pistol only. I don't want to waste the rifle rounds on that. I need a health kit. Oh, there's rifle shots. Nice, and a health kit. Yes, let's go through here. Shortcut through the mud. In the mud, zombies are fine. I'm not. So I'm staying on the road because I'm faster on the road than the zombies. Yeah, oh wow, there's some lucky spawns with these things. Usually it doesn't spawn this many of this. Up. Saved. Go this direction. Ah, god damn it! Like, I have all the ammo in the world and still I fall in a hole. Through the slow, and damn it! I think it's a little bit strange that the shotgun blast only kind of, if there's zombies around, I think they need to fix that because it's a bit strange. It doesn't change the gameplay, but it's super strange that the if I shoot shotgun and there's only a couple of zombies here, it only has like few blasts around. Damn it! There we go. Clear the space with the shotgun. But I did take a lot of damage. I need a health kit and I fell in the hole that is under car. Where's the health kit? Damn it! Okay, bullets. Oh, there's a health kit. But I don't have any ammo anymore. I do have the better ammo. Rifle. Up again. I should watch where I walk. With rifle, I just line them all up and get them in same line. Our Claude just launched a different instance of the game. The cool thing about it is it literally is Claude is driving the game game engine and seeing how it looks like. So so when I ask it to do something, it will test and try things out. Oh man. Oh yeah, fast zombies. But yeah, I don't know what the right speed is. Actually, the speed of the normal zombies like 90% of the character's speed. The fat ones are I think 80, but they take 2 shots, and then the fast ones are 110%, but they catch up. But yeah, let's see. I wanted to take a look. I haven't yet, but I wanted to take a look at the store, the asset store. I'm not building an asset flip, but I kind of this game's. It would be interesting to see what I could do and what is available. You know, there's a lot of free license stuff and things like that. What are these things and what do these things do? City builder. I would love to build a city builder. I fondly remember SimCity and SimCity 2000. There's templates. A lot of stuff available. This community looks super good. I never heard of this before. I heard of it before. I never looked at this community before, but it really looks like an active and vibrant community, which is cool because it's not just Unreal and Unity. So if you want to build something, there seem to be and there's a lot of tutorials online as well how to build stuff if you want to build the proper way and actually type code yourself and not be like me. Custom splash screen demo, action library. So cool stuff. Let me see what is the kind of paid. Do they have paid stuff as well? I assume they do. Licenses. Oh, okay, these are all open source that is here. So maybe it isn't. Then maybe there isn't paid stuff here. Highest reviews, created newest. So what is new? Oh, there's quite a few starter kits from the same person. Body voice. Nice. Yeah. Like if you're a game dev, there's so many assets available to you. I wonder though, you probably have to go then with Apache or MIT or CC. If you use this, I don't know if using the assets makes your gaming GPL. No idea. Reviews, highest score. So that's what I was looking at. Updated, newest, relevance. Relevance to what? Created, updated. Okay, let's look at the highest score stuff. Spatial audio. Wow. Oh, cool. That's amazing. I haven't done any audio design on the game at all. There's no audio at all. Cool. I'm kind of super tempted to see how it will look like. Oh, nice. I wonder if I wonder how much people do XR or AR with these engines. I have no tools to do it. Oh, Android XR. Well, I do have tools then. Fantastic. Okay, what can I search for? Ruined city. Then lobby basics. Lobby application. All right. Let's see what Claude is up to. Still working on it. Not surprising. So do they have any like asset packs here? Can I just find nice city? Or is this all functionality? Oh, they do have some basics in environment. So okay, then we look for ruins. Ruins. Okay. Don't think this works. Relevance. I might not really understand what the store is for, so if somebody knows, sorry I make you watch this. Zombies. There's no zombies, so there's probably no asset packs for as such as like Unity asset store or something. Maybe we just do a little bit Googling. Let me find the right window. There are free game assets for Godot. Let's see what Gemini says. Yeah, I think zombie snake is a good definition of the game. I'm trying to get something other than than just training zombie train running around. 3D that's asset library. Wait, that's where I am. That's asset store. That's where I am. Okay, what do you mean asset library? That's it. This is not what I was looking for. Asset forge. Asset Jesus. Is this URL? It is. Wow. Free assets. I don't mind paying for stuff, but it's not really not there yet. I want to first understand. Okay, city assets. Oh, wow, isometric tiles. These are cool though. Nice. This is the stuff that makes I get nostalgic when I look at pictures like this, because these are any game that looked like this was a game I liked when I was growing up. You know, super cool. Could probably try some of these, see how they work. Let me download it. I will donate if I figure out how to use these things, I promise. All right, we can kill this for now. All right, Claude's ready. The box to find something. Let's see a little bit what it said. Hello, scene. It's 5, okay. Okay. Screamer needs a judgment call. Well, I think 0 is fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Wait, like this is not an important thing at this point. I just want to understand how it feels. Good. Let me fire it up. It's all about trying to understand how the gameplay feels like. Where is the game window? Here we go. Here's a new home screen built to specification. So this is our base. We have no scrap. Why did it start the game already? How do I get back to the menu? Probably should be able to get back to the menu, I say. But let's worry about it later. Let me figure out which screen is full screen, so you can actually see the whole screen. Okay, let me go and see what's going on. Ah, here's the weapon. You go away, you go away. Oh, damn it. Okay, let's figure out some scrap. Oh, that guy dropped scrap immediately. I have 1 scrap. So my kind of thought is that, oh no, I ran out of bullets. My thought is like if I can create something like a little bit like the Clash of Clans is a little bit bad comparison, but something a little bit like in that direction. Basically, have your own base that you defend, a little bit like tower defense type of base defense, while you kind of have to then go and gather the money to build something outside. Oh, there's scrap. Damn it! I fell. Oh, there we go. That was a scrap cache. It was 5. I have no weapons. I'm really going to die soon. I'm just running around. I think I need to do something to encourage exploration outside just running on the road. Okay, so I think the scrap cache should not spawn on the road, because road is the easy mode. Because I run faster than zombies on the road. If it should be that the scrap cache should always be somewhere that is difficult to access. Otherwise, what's the point? Oh my god. Okay. Enter base. Okay, press any key to head out. That's not a good thing. I don't want to press any key to head out. Scrap, your last round 13. Oh, that's very good. Keep pulling it back. Yeah, I don't want to have a escape too. I don't. Let's use a proper menu. And let's use proper buttons to start a run and to start a to exit. This is a small UI change. It should go quite fast. Yeah. So what do we do with the scrap? I think basically we need to create a shop that you can use to reinforce your base. It could be something like. I also don't want the zombies just to destroy your base. I think what you build should be permanent. I need to think about a little bit. But basically built a kind of tower defense base for zombies. The other thing would be to do the kind of the roguelite thing, which makes you more powerful depending on what you buy. That could be a kind of a good also trade-off on the kind of game mechanism, saying you can buy stuff that boost your runs, and then you can buy stuff that makes your base easier to defend. And let's say if you defend your base, maybe they steal your scrap or something if you don't defend your base or something. There should be a downside of losing a base defense, but it shouldn't be something that completely destroys and rolls back your progress, because that would be it would just immediately make you not want to play the game ever again. Okay, we're now approaching about exactly 24 hours since I first downloaded the Godot and started trying to use it. It's pretty easy to prototype and demo game ideas, I think. If you have a game you want to build and you want to see if the idea works, I think one day is all you need, unless it's a MMO or a first-person shooter or something like that, of course. But if you have some simple game idea, it could be quite easy to prototype using this platform. I know you can do Unity as well. Unity have MCP available as well. It's very easy to use that stuff as well. But I want to try these open source things rather. Good. Okay. Let's create a store. Buy in-game stuff with scrap. Store should allow me to buy things for my camp. One thing that could be, so your camp is better, you rest better, and when you rest better, you have more hit points. I think that could be a kind of a good thing. You boost your tent, and you will have more hit points. But then tent itself doesn't really defend anything. I think you need to start building traps or something like that. It could also be that if you have something, because one thing that I wanted to have is AoE, but you can't have AoE just by finding grenades somewhere. I think that's gonna be boring. But you could have something like forts. Maybe we can think steal ideas from Minecraft or something, that you have a thing that you can use to build consumable grenades, and you can take them with you. Yeah. Things for your camp. For now, we want to have a better mattress for your tent. Your tent. That's 10 scrap. Once you have that you're starting. Actually, we need to do something a bit more generic. If you just start, oh shit, I didn't mean to execute yet. Stop now. Once you have, okay, well, buy stuff in camp. Items impact your items can impact your character starting stats, or give you consumable items for runs. Additionally, some items will boost your camp defense. Game mode we'll add later. For now, we want to have these items. Mattress. Then 50 scrap. Increase starting HP by 10. How do we want to like start doing like stuff like crafting? I think crafting would be super fun, you know, build your armor and then you have an armor. Should we start having like equipment slots for the dude? I think we will eventually have to, otherwise it's gonna get boring. But we have to explain somehow why he always needs to first go and run and find a weapon on the ground. Maybe we come back to that later. Inconsistency. Okay, wooden fence around your camp, around the camp. We'll define the gameplay effect like that. All items that we create should be reflected or reflect in the visuals of your camp. I want it to look like you get the stuff. I got myself a Stream Deck. Well, this device is, I think it's 10 years old. This was like 25 euros, 30 euros in Amazon. I think it's like this must be 6, 7 years old or something like that. But it's super sci-fi to have these kind of programmable buttons. It's pretty cool. I really like it. I can change the scenes with and I have a mute button here when I need to cough and not to find the OBS controls for it. I'm such a noob. I kind of find this stuff that is everybody's known for 10 years and to me it's all new. It's not my fault, Claude. You started building too early. You just rebuild it. Okay, we play the game then while Claude is building. I like the new screen. There's new buttons. I no longer head out by accident, so I can then make the camp more interactive later on. I actually think I should be able to walk in the camp. If Claude wasn't doing something, I would do that. I think just make the camp like a nice bit area. Let's go find more scrap. Find a weapon. Yes. Yeah, I think next thing we need to do, we need to define where this scrap spawns. It should also be communicated to the user somehow, and I don't want to have these arrows. The arrows, they're just for the weapons, so the first weapon, mostly for my son to find the first weapon. But I don't know. I think in general it should be something like, okay, there's certain areas have higher chance of spawning scrap, but they also should be more dangerous. So you go like, okay, I will, oh shit, I will risk it and go and try to find scrap from here. I will die here. I'm not quite, oh shit, I will actually die here. I didn't find any for scrap. Give me a weapon. Oh no! Damn it. Oh, health kit. Yes. You guys go away. Yes, these people, these zombies are so fast. And they can shortcut through here and I can't. This music is too sleepy. It's not in the game, it's on the stream beats. I don't have a game music yet. Oh, damn it. Hello, hello. Oh, the scrap. Damn it. Try not to curse, but it's difficult not to. I will die here. No. There we go. Where was the weapon? Why did it change the direction? Yes. There you go away. Let me grab here, this one here. Really should save bullets for this faster. Dude, come on. Yeah, again, this music is like it's making me sleep. Yeah, I mean, it's not bad music. It just doesn't really fit into this mood of running away from zombies. I need to check the library. Okay, let me figure out how can I actually don't know how to change the playlists. Let me just find something that like Hugo, you said, it's just train. It's just a zombie train or snake. Damn it! Until I screw up. Yeah, but, damn it! Why don't I look where I go? But it really should be like, okay, I want to venture somewhere a bit more dangerous, and then when you venture there, you might get something cooler. Oh no! 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 They can't go through the water. Damn it, they could go through the water. Up, up. Now, there we go. So if I go run again, will it save the scrap? Hold back, it will probably. First check what Claude is up to. Still working. Lie here. Oh, better. Oh shit! Sorry. Maybe I should put this the flag on Twitch that I might curse. Damn, 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 damn. At least I have shotgun. Save some shotgun bullets and use. Oh my, no! How can I fall in a hole that is under a car? All right, shotgun. You guys are dead. Oh, shotgun bullets. Shotgun bullets. There we go. Scrap. Where should we go next? There's bullets, rifle bullets. Oh yeah, now we're cooking. You guys go away. I thought that was a horde. I say horde is incoming was already thought I killed everybody. All right, pistol. Did I use all my rifle rounds? I'm an idiot. Oh no! Oh no! Don't run into the holes. No bullets. I thought I had a lot of bullets. Shotgun. It's a runner. Trying to see which gun I have. Shotgun bullets. A lot of shotgun bullets. Need to go back for that one. Damn it. I'm an idiot. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Damn it. These fast guys are really annoying. I have no bullets left. Then when they hit you, they stand still for two seconds. It means that they're no longer the closest guy or the closest zombie. So you have to run away for a while to filter out the fast ones. Yeah, this is gonna be over. Oh no, I even missed the bullets. Damn it! There we go. Yeah, okay, let's go back. Oh yeah, the scrap number there. A funny thing that while we are playing, the store has appeared. Somehow it deployed on the live code. This is the best way to build software. Play a game and new features appear while you're playing. The dog wants to go out. I need to have a break soon and take the dog out. Oh, that's a good idea. That's a good idea. Broken fence or fence. Yeah, it would be really cool. It could even be something like you could build like any fence and you climb over. There's a small lag before you climb. So if they are right behind you, you will get hit. But if you have a little space, you climb over and then the zombies will, break it down. That's a good idea. That's a super good idea. We need to build that. Yeah, let's do that next. I think the defense idea together with kind of placing the scrap will make the main gameplay loop a little bit more interesting. I think that's a super good idea. Let's do that next. Once the store is done, we will get Claude to start working on the fence. I think it should be kind of, maybe it should be like a fenced areas, not just, if it's just random fence bits somewhere. I think we need to create like a new type of a building. It could be something like a fenced off building. And then you go in there and then the zombies will break down the fence and then they will surround you and kill you. Yeah, or the fence needs to be at least long enough that the zombies can just run around it. Yeah, but it's destructible. I also think it would be quite cool to be able to just go inside buildings, but at the moment I don't have a good idea how that would work. Because the buildings are also wrong scale that on the map. The buildings are way too small. They should be much bigger. I think the guy is taller than the building. But okay, we have a new version of the game. Let's run the new version. I need to take the dog. Sweet. Okay, let's see what we can buy. Oh, we can't buy anything yet. We need to go and play the game for a bit. But before we go do that, because we can test the game while it is playing. Here, let's do the fence thing. Maybe we just add. Let's just add the concept of the fence first, and we can figure out what we can do later on. Okay. Terrain or type of building. We should have strips of a fence around partially around buildings. Or fence somewhere. Fence and okay, I don't know where I'm going around where they my approach on this kind of stuff is that I just want to get something in that I kind of have like baseline and try how it works, and then see where it leads. Instead of trying to have a complete idea, just try something quickly and see if I like it and where it kind of fence. But this fence idea is good. When don't have a complete idea how it goes. The character. I need to come up with a name with the character. Character when he runs into the fence. Fence there should fence he will climb over it. Wait. There is a 1 sec. Maybe it's 2 second. 1, 2, yeah, 2 second animation for climbing. At that time, is attacks. So this means that you can't just run over a fence if they're right behind you. Then we will just die. Zombie attacks. Once the animation completes, the character will be on the other side of the fence. Zombies cannot climb fences. They will instead break them down. Zombies attack fences. For now all fences have say 40 hit points. Once it destroy it, zombies can pass. Okay, let's see where that goes. I think the idea is super good. Yeah. I think that could be quite fun to also have kind of a bit of a line of sight to some of these things. So you have a fenced off area. There's a higher chance that there's good stuff, but you don't see inside it. It's climb the fence, run from zombies, and turns out it's just full of zombies. Let's go find a little bit more scrap so I can actually try buy a mattress for myself. Oh, there's a gun first. Damn it, I'm bad at shooting. 2, that was a small cache. I want more. Oh, that dropped one thing. Damn it. This guy is so fast. There's now more incentive to shoot these zombies and not just kite them, because they might drop some stuff. Damn it. Oh, back to running at the road. I need to... Yeah, once we figure out the fence stuff, I think we can pair the fencing with this high risk scenario of trying to find something more meaningful. Oh yeah, this is probably enough. Then I can try to buy the mattress. Yes. Okay, now we can just suicide. Back. So now I should have enough to buy the mattress. There we go. Nice. 10 hit points. Back to camp. There's the mattress. I would put the mattress inside the tent though. But yeah, whatever you like, dude. Head out. 110. It's working. It's working. We now had a better night's sleep, so we have 10 more hit points to waste while gathering useless crap around here. There's a bug in this one a little bit. Oh no, it works. So even though I don't have the pistol, but because I found special ammo, I can now use. I thought it wouldn't let me use the rifle because I didn't have the pistol. What is this? I kind of want to have the fence also to see how it looks like. It just generated stuff anyways. Oh yeah, I did this asset. So what I don't know if you guys know this. There's this game that used to be really good. I played when I was younger. It's called Blitzkrieg. Was like an isometric World War II RTS, which I really liked. So I told Claude I want the taking inspiration for that. I want that to be kind of the direction of how I want the game to look like. This is what it generated. So I guess LLMs are not that good yet. They're just not gonna steal art. I even gave it screenshots of the game saying, this is style I want. I did tell it don't copy, but this is style I want to go. I guess there's like some hint about that, but not really. It's not really Blitzkrieg, is it? It's pretty funny. Oh, hey, there is a bug. So because I don't have the pistol, I didn't pick up the pistol at the beginning. I can't use my pistol ammo, but I can use all my rifle and shotgun ammo. So I really literally need to find the pistol before I can use all the pistol ammo. I think this needs to change. Damn it. This needs to change. It's blocked. Yeah, you really need to pick up the pistol at the beginning. Otherwise, no firing pistol shots. I mean, in general, the weapon system needs to be rethought quite carefully. I was thinking at some point that doing something like creating different kind of areas, more dangerous areas. So you could like I always like to think in game terms, like a risk and reward, saying, okay, you want to go to a more dangerous area, you need to have better weapons. At the same time, if you kind of equip the guy with really good weapons in the beginning, then this level just becomes super boring. It needs to be something like, okay, you kind of grind the beginning area until you have enough good stuff to go for. The more advanced areas. And I really like this roguelite design strategy or design approach, where games are like the world stays static, but your equipment changes. Basically, you can create as difficult as you want environments, but you basically make them completely impossible until you have gathered enough equipment. And once you have enough, then they actually become easy. The idea. Oh no! The idea is that you just go around and boost your stats until you're ready to go for these places. And that's kind of, I think that's kind of the reason I like it. There's this kind of additional feeling of progression when you play the game and you can access places that you weren't able to access before. Yeah, that's what I like about in game design in general. Damn it, I need to find bullets to kill this fast guy, otherwise I'm dead. Damn. There we go. What is Claude up to? Still working. We can gather some more scrap while we at it. Okay, there's a bug. It shows the gun at the top first, and then I go that way, and there's a no, it's not there, it's here. First hole. Damn it. Yeah, and it's kind of this slow grind of getting this stuff first, and it's getting your mattress and getting things. If this is how slow it's forever. Nobody will play the game. That's not. I will not play the game. I think it basically needs to. Oh shit. Yeah, it needs to be like, okay, well, this area you get like one scrap there, but then you go somewhere more difficult, and then you have big chunks of scrap. You get hundreds and so on. So you kind of there's a bit of an inflation with the scrap. Yes. But I think that's okay. Oh, that guy needs to go. Damn it. I don't have pistol ammo. Oh, I was trying to shoot the fast guy just with pistol ammo. I saved this ammo for something else. But it didn't work out. Instead I took the damage. Oh, here's a health kit. Again, I have this fast runner at me. I don't want to use this shotgun ammo for that. Now I have many of them. Oh, that was a bad idea. Again, I wasn't looking where I'm going. Out of ammo. Oh. I wasn't even shooting, I was looking. Fast guy need to be executed. Damn, this is what I meant. I was shooting all the other guys, and then the fast guy hit me once and dropped back. There we go. You eat that, you eat that. Health kit. Yeah. Oop, oop. Up. Damn it. Oh no. These white guys are like ghosts. They are these screamers. They don't do any damage to me, but they summon other zombies. But there's no way for me to kill them. They're just there, and then the horde just gets bigger and bigger and bigger until I die. At some point, it's a snowball, so I don't have anything to deal with this anymore. Doesn't matter how many. Ah, there we go. No ammo. More and more. Damn it. That's it. Okay, guys, I need to take a short break. I will be right back. I need to take the dog out. It's unfair for the dog to have to wait for me to code some game. So I will be back in 5 minutes or something like that. right, we're back. We are back. Let's see what's going on. So the fencing stuff should now be ready. Let's see what the report is. Oh yeah, that's good. Music is a bit low. Okay, I think it's fine. Cool. Wait, climb, vulnerable. Cannot climb. Good, this is a good number. Yeah. Good, this looks good. Okay, let's see if it worked. I think the interesting thing is the interaction, how it feels like to try to run across the fence. Oh no, we need to less tiring music. More exciting. Fence already. Why is it drawing on top of the tree? Or maybe it isn't. Maybe it just looks like that. No, it's behind the tree. It just looks a little bit wonky. Good. Oh, crap, dropped immediately. Okay, let's see how it works if I try to climb over it. Oh, jump. That's a really, generic jump. There's too much fence here. I got hit by them. See if they are able to break down the fence. Yeah, they did. Nice. Technically, everything works. We definitely now need to figure out something. Firstly, this building scale is just so off. Like, these buildings are wrong scale. I think we need to rethink the building scale. I think we still don't want to build anything to go inside a building, but I think we should have like fully fenced off areas, and there should be something like big chance of spawning zombies, but there should also be like a scrap available there. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I think these fences are actually decent. Like there's not too many of them. They don't block me. They don't really block the zombies. Oh, why did I fall there? So the whole square is bigger than the hole actually looks like. It's supposed to be a crater, by the way. It's not a hole. So sometimes you fall, like even though it looks like your character isn't stepping into it. I need to fix that at some point. Oh, runners. Oof. It really isn't possible to use these as escaping. Oh, yeah, man, this worked well. Now I'm gonna escape here. The guy is like flying. Oh, this works well. This is a good mechanism. Fly away, dude. There we go. Oh, yeah. I think this is a fun gameplay. Let's see. Oh, they got destroyed very quickly. When there's a lot of them, they're just destroyed very quickly. Can I shoot them through the fence? I should be able to, right? I don't have any ammo. I can test it. I cannot test it. Damn it. Give me ammo. Oh, there's rifle ammo if I can. Oh, damn it. I need to test the shooting through the fence. Every time it shows first at the top. I need to fix this as well. It says, hey, it's here. No, just kidding, it's here. Okay, find me a fence where I can trap these dudes. Again, here I can trap them. I will first lure them here, and then I go here. I will take a little bit damage, but now I can see if I can shoot them through the... Yeah, I can shoot them. That's very good. I think that's exactly what you expect. You can shoot zombies through the fence. There's a lot of scrap here. Give me scrap. Oh, man. I want to have the fence on my my camp as well. Pressure eases. It doesn't. They are still alive. I have no bullets. I'm gonna fall. Oh no! I climbed back and oh no! I climbed over the fence and I climbed back. I was escaping bad now. Damn it! Okay, this worked. This fence idea is good. Thank you for the idea. This is brilliant. It creates an interesting gameplay. Now what we need to do is to kind of think a little bit more about the scrap distribution. We need to think a little bit more risk and reward. Okay. Why is this? I downloaded some electronic music, but this is. How do I? Apologies. I need to figure out how to use the stream beach. I want a little bit less sleepy music. Again, I really appreciate the musicians who give their music for free for us to use. And there's a time and place for this music, but it isn't now. Oh, loop playlist. Always play, even noticeable. Okay, I can't figure out how to edit the playlist, so I will do it before the next stream. Okay, now, okay, let's I can't write. Okay, the scrap distribution on maps. We need to have a risk reward. Effectively, I can't type today. When the two more scrap available in more dangerous areas. Now, this is completely pointless if the player doesn't understand the distribution. We need to figure out how the player how this is communicated to the player. Would it make sense to have like something like industrial areas with more scrap but more zombies? Or yeah, maybe that's the way to do it. Basically, you have this suburban area, which is the default, and then you venture more into more dangerous areas like industrial areas, and the concentration of zombies, or maybe there's tougher zombies, but there's more scrap. That only makes sense if you're able to prepare for it and you have better weapons to go there, because with the current weapons and the amount of ammo drop, you will just die. But okay, we will look into that kind of area types later. But we know that roads are the easiest and safest places. Player knows that roads are the safest places because because we'll run faster. So roads should not have the best drops. We should encourage the player to venture away from roads to find better drops, especially in areas where movement is more difficult. We probably should have less roads on the map and have a difference in texture when we are away from. Like, I think I would like to build something like forests and industrial areas to be able to just do. So I think, but the industrial areas is a very big task. But I think what we could do is something like a little bit more foresty areas where there's a little bit more, or kind of, currently there's deserts where it's very difficult to move, and then there's mud that's difficult to move. Yeah. Okay. Let's just leave it here and try to get some like a first stab at it and see how it feels like. I think that's again, if you don't have same as when you're building software, other software, you're building something for the watch or you build something for your phone. Thinking it through completely before you implement is not always the right thing to do, especially user-facing stuff. I'm not talking about things like architecture and things like that. That's a completely different way. But when you kind of do some user-facing stuff, I think it's better to really kind of get something out and try and see how it feels. Then you can iterate and improve. Okay, let's run again. We have 50 scrap. We need a lot more scrap. So while this stuff is being implemented, yeah, okay, now the weapon is right direction. While this stuff is being implemented, we will try to gather some scrap. So in the future, we should have less roads. So for example, on the sand, the guy goes much slower. No, I mean the mud at least. And then this is not. Yeah. Oh no! Oh no! I don't like the animation of the fence jumping, but whatever. Oh yeah, we also wanted to change the scale of the buildings. The building scale feels completely wrong. The buildings need to be way bigger. It doesn't feel right to have these houses where this guy can't even stand up in. Come on. That was completely pointless. 0 scrap. I suck at this game. I need to fix this first arrow as well. At least there's some scrap. 5. Good. Also, I think the scrap cache should also kind of have some kind of indication if it's a lot or not. Maybe it's because everything is 1 to 5 now, everything is small, but especially when we go forward, you need to figure out if it's worth it to go and try to dive for a cache somewhere. Oh, there's a scrap cache in the mud. No, okay. Oh, that was a bigger one. That's nice. Oh no! Fell down. Oh no. I'm so shit at this game. So here's the sand. So you see the zombies will catch me. This is just grass. This is just dried grass. I think it's everywhere in Europe now. No fast ones yet. Come on. Oh, let's find some scrap. There's a scrap cache. Let's get a couple of those near me. There we go. Oh, that was a small one. Wasn't worth it. Oh no. Try to leave some of them behind. Over the fence. Whee! You're stuck. Oh. Oh no. I need bullets. I have 2 fast ones on me. I will die to them if I don't find bullets. They will slowly kill me. They make less damage, these fast ones. I think they only make like 1 per attack, if I remember correctly, 2. But you know, it's they will kill me eventually. There we go. One of them is dead. The other one is coming. Now it's dead. Good. Oh no, there was still one fast one. I really need to run away from everybody else so I can kill the fast one. Good. Now it's dead. And I'm out of bullets. I'm pressing these buttons really hard. My fingers are hurting. Trying to go through this. Oh, damn it! Damn it! No, and there we go. Well, at least some scrap. Okay. This is really starting to piss me off. That points me the wrong direction at the beginning. Oh, yeah, let's fix that. I don't want to. This is annoying. Also, we need to fix. Oh, this music is making me sleepy. Buildings they need to be much bigger than they currently are. They are with the scale of the character and zombies. Yeah, I need to figure out how to use the fence correctly. Yeah, you're right. If I now go here, I should lose some of them, at least. Oh no, I jumped. Oh, I'm stupid. Oh no, and then I fell. Okay, that didn't go well. It was supposed to be a demonstration of my intelligence of how to use the scrap that fall. Oh, there we go. Fucking hole. Sorry. I promise I try not to curse, but it's very difficult not to, because I'm so stupid. Yeah, here's a good place to lose them. Nope. Oh no! Oh. Yeah, but they just destroyed the fence very quickly because there's so many of them. I think what we need different types of fences. We need to have like metal fence, and we need to have bigger ones. These wooden ones, they get destroyed quickly. That's fine. But then we need to have some metal ones that they kind of really get stuck and give a little bit like a breathing room. Nope. Maybe it could be a trade-off. A bigger fence takes a bit longer time to climb, but then they also takes longer time for them to destroy them. You don't want med packs. Why is there med packs everywhere? Give me. Oh no! It was my son's idea that I should fall in these holes. I blame him every time I fall. And he also came up with the name of the zombie battle, which I think is a good name. It's pretty accurate. Mate. There's scrap right there. You gotta go away. Sticks. That's a good drop. Yeah, I think this needs progression. Like what I need is this nice progression in the camp, have something like armor and more hit points. Damn it. And better weapons, maybe more ammo. Don't need better weapons necessarily, but more ammo. And then it says, okay, well, that I'm gonna not go into the suburbs because there's not much here. I want to go to industrial area or forest or airport or whatever that is more. But then it says the full-on battle to try to survive. No. These holes need to go away. There's too many craters here. Why is there a fence on the middle of the road? Yeah, I don't use the fences enough. I should be using them more. Oh, here's a good place. You guys you guys stay there. Huh? I dropped all of them. Nice. Nice. Did I go here? Oh, it hit me on my way over. Yes, that's how it works. No, they would work if I wouldn't fall in these stupid holes all the time. What's my feet instead? Where is all the scrap? Stop falling in these holes. Give me bullets. Yes. Yeah. I'll just jump all of these fences and none of them can catch me. There we go. Oh no! God damn. Still got as a health back. Go. No. There we go. Oh, why did I jump here? Into the middle of the... Oh no. I wonder if there should be a key, a button to trigger the fence climb. Because now I just keep running into it and it just climbs automatically. Maybe it should be... Maybe this should be some key thing. Climb instead of just automatically climbing. I don't know. Or maybe I just need to get good. Yeah, again, it showed like at the top. But it also right here. There's some bug in there, but maybe it's getting fixed while we play. So stupid. Oh, so many bullets. Bullets for days. Yeah. Now I just need some good fence so I can jump over and leave all of them behind. I have enough space. Yes. Oh, there we go. There we go. I have enough space to get around before they hit me. No, I didn't. Maybe the 2 seconds is too long. It feels like it should be like 1 second the climbing. Because like they get so far. Like this guy almost hit me. Because I'm stuck in this animation. Yeah. 2 seconds is too long for climbing a fence. At least this kind of small fence. Because otherwise it like this they will hit me multiple times before I go there. And I can't do anything. Damn it. There's 2 fences. Damn it. There was a point of running trying to climb a fence and then fall the next hole. Go. Nice, all these fast guys are dead. But damn it. Stop falling in the holes. One more fast guy. There we go. There's one fast guy coming. Oh, I ran out of bullets. And fell in the hole. I think it should be less holes on the ground. Oh, I'm just so bad at it. 121. How many I needed? 120. Now I'm gonna buy a fence. Let's see how the fence looks like. It doesn't do anything yet. Nice. Now I have a fence and some reason. I need to have a fireplace. Why don't I have a fireplace? It would look so nice if I had a fireplace. Also, the fence doesn't do anything to zombies. They just tear it down. Oh, it's building danger gauge. Maybe that's a good thing. Should we ask it to also add more items? I'm really kind of keen to get into this base defense gameplay. I think it shouldn't be fully passive. Like I think it should be active, but it should be more like a tower defense in a sense that they just spawn until I lose or win them. Anyways, I don't want to. Come on, little come. Good girl. Campfire. To the store. It should cost 50 scrap. What would campfire do? Campfire would make me sleep better, so it should give me something. It should also kind of keep the zombies away. Like I said, let's say for now it will add 5 hit point to the character. More effects later. Cool. Let's play the game a little bit. One scrap. At the same time, Claude is opening another instance of the game on my other display and doing some tweaks to the game. See what it's doing. But basically what it does, it just opens the game and it tries out and checks these assets and aspects of the skills the game directly. So it's able to, it's actually much more, when you do Android dev with Claude or Gemini, it takes quite a long time for it to drive the phone or the app because it needs to press actually buttons. It seems to be that the MCP on this Godot can perform everything super quickly. Or the skill is very good because it's able to just inject the state it wants to check directly. So it's not actually it doesn't play the game. It just goes straight to the state it wants to test, checks that it is rendered correctly, and goes like, okay, next task. That's why this development is much faster than Android, for example, on Claude. Android dev is quite slow anyways, but yeah, let's not get into that. Horde incoming. Damn. Here's some strange sound behind me. It's my dog, it's not me. It's dog is preparing to sleep. It's making evening washing. Oh, god damn. I thought I missed the whole. I think it need to make the whole asset to actually look the same as the impact areas, because it's really kind of punishing for a player if it looks like they are avoiding this hole, and then you get triggered anyways because the asset isn't matching the impact area. Really bad game design to make a surprise player instead of being fair. Two fast ones. That's a fast one. There we go. That's a fast one. Oh, scrap. Oh no, that wasn't worth it. That wasn't worth it. Let's see what the... All right. Still working on the campfire. One more round. You can see the pistol there. One area that I have absolutely no clue how it works would be the sound design for a game. Like, I literally have no clue how to do it. I've never done it. Never really done any sound design at all. If you watch my YouTube channel, you know I just very lucky that Hugo lets me use his music, which is freaking awesome. But otherwise, it's pretty bad. Oh no, I keep doing the same mistake. Oh yeah. Okay, why did I jump over the fence if there was a hole right next to it? Ah, but I managed to capture all of them there, so I basically got rid of all of them in the fence. That's cool. That's cool. There's even rifle ammo. But I have to cross this desert. Okay, scrap. This is just no fast ones anywhere. I gotta save my ammo. Oh, nope. Because I screwed up. Health kit. Oh, there's ammo. There's shotgun ammo. Oh no! Damn it. No, 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 no. And now it's horde coming. Damn it. Okay. Yeah, it's ready. Okay, let's see the interesting part, I think, is going to be more on the risk and reward side, because that's the gameplay. Distance from nearest road. Wait. This is not right. From the road. So it means that the zombies spawn on the road faster than they spawn away from road, which is the wrong way around. Although it kind of makes sense that there's more zombies on the road. But then if I get away from the roads, then I can just gather scrap and be safe from zombies because there's less zombies. Zombie spawn. No. Sorry, I misread it. Yeah. Okay, if I'm on the road, the spawn timer is lower because it's multiplied. The timer is multiplied, not the spawn rate. Okay. Yeah, it's correct. Yeah. Wilderness, grass, and mud. I wonder if we should have some lighting. Tree reports, buildings. Buildings are now right. A row. You were right. Yeah, you always find it funny when they tell me I was right. Yeah, whenever you use LLMs to build anything, so remember there's no intelligence behind them. This isn't what you think. Anyways, it's just a tool. It's not intelligence. Okay, let's go. Let's test what is happening now. Firstly, store. There's a campfire, which we don't have yet, but I need 50. So that's the next goal. Let's see how it game looks like now. Okay, the buildings are better. They for sure, if you look at the size of the dude. Yeah, the door looks about right. Yes, this is good. Good, I'm happy with that. Backcountry. Here's more scrap. I'm in a dangerous area. There's a big scrap there. That's cool. Let's see how much it is. 11. Yeah, this makes sense. There's more zombies here, but now that I'm basically roadside. Now it's okay. Cool. Now there's a problem though. The buildings are big, and when I'm behind the buildings, I have no idea what's going on. Yep, we need to fix this. This is immediately something that has to be fixed. Needs to become a. See what is happening. That should be an easy fix. Let's see. Okay, there's oh, why do I don't want. Okay, I need to figure out the interaction. The fence idea is good, but the interaction with them isn't, because I am accidentally jumping over, which I'm not happy about. I think you play third-person shooter, you also don't accidentally climb a fence, do you? But then again, if you have to start pressing a button, I don't know. It kind of destroys the simplicity of the control scheme. Yeah, there's definitely more zombies here when you're not by the road. So who builds a building in the middle of the road? So they can calm down the game by running on the road. But there's nothing here for me to find. I basically need to, I can run and find some weapons. When I have weapons, I can start venturing into the wilderness. But then here again, it's a little, well, I don't know. Maybe it's fine. Oh, I can't go there. Oh no. The problem is that, yeah. Whoop, whoop. It's definitely more difficult to go there now because they spawn so much faster. Also happy how the buildings, I'm not happy how the buildings look like, but be happy about the scaling of the building. I don't have any bullets. I don't have any bullets. Help me. I have fast runners on me, and I have no bullets at all. That one is dead. Good. Yeah, I didn't find any scrap. I need to that. Oh, there's scrap. Last one. Yes. Okay. That's fine. That's fine. Can I buy the campfire? I can buy the campfire. Nice, small little campfire. I really would like to find some nice assets I could use to make it feel a bit better. I was super happy with this generated stuff. I'm working on that. This should be an easy one though. Where that works, yeah. Okay. So what do we do next? We need to either get some proper progression, or the game becomes super boring, same place over and over again. We need to have different areas, or we need to have a different game mode for the base, effectively. I don't really have clear idea in my head how to do the base stuff. So I'm not gonna do it yet. I don't even have a first stab at it. But I think we need to get we need to get a way to progress and basically go to more dangerous area where you can buy more, where you can get more scrap quicker and have better stuff you can buy for your base. That's basically it. I also kind of figure out if we should do time of day. Maybe the base defense should always be at night. Yeah, that's good. Okay, run a new version. So basically that's just a fix for the buildings. Straight to a hole. So now when I go behind a building, it should fade out. Yes, exactly this. This is good. If it's back in. Good, I'm happy with this. This is a workable setup. The weapon system works fine. The danger zones work fine. The holes are a little bit annoying, but I don't really want to focus on that. I think we need to add these like high risk, high reward zones, like these fenced off areas with a kind of a big. So basically it should be like a relatively rare find to find this kind of, say, a base or something that is fully fenced off. You have to climb a bit slower, but you don't see in. Let's see if you can find some scrap here in the outskirts. Yes, there's much more scrap here. Good. No! Why did I fall into the hole? No more bullets. Yeah. Oop, 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 oop. Where's my mouse cursor? It's in the wrong display. I'm screwing this up because I had a mouse cursor in waste. That's my excuse. Yeah, the fence jumping is not good. That interaction isn't good. The fence idea is good, but the execution is bad. We already use space for pause, but space is the jump button, right? Maybe we need to get pause to P and have a jump button to go fence. Let's try it. Change pause to button press P. When running at fence, should not user should press space to climb action next to a fence. How can we indicate that it's about to? We need to have some kind of UI indication here that shows that if you now press space, you can climb. I think it's just when fence climb is possible at a stop. Oh yeah, jumping over holes would be a good idea as well. Subtle the icon on top of the character that indicates that a space press will climb over. I'm not. I said so many times, even Claude will understand what I mean. I also want space to be a jump action, action when running, when not next to a fence. If jump should not change the speed, but when in air, creators cannot cause falling. Character can jump only once every 3 seconds, so no bunny jumping. Also make the creator asset clearly show the area where is possible. Okay, let's see if he doesn't understand. We will really improve. Okay, let's gather some scraps while these changes are being done. Okay, it's fixed now with the starting pistol being. It doesn't show wrong direction anymore. That's good. Yeah, jumping over the holes. The problem is that I fall in these holes because I don't look at where I'm going. So if I don't look at where I'm going, I'm not going to be jumping over them either. But I think it's an interesting game mechanism. We should try anyways. Whoop! You go away. You go away. Damn it! I don't know how to shoot anymore. Let's go away. Where's all the scrap? Oh yeah, I'm on the road, so of course it's not here. I need to go and find it somewhere. Oh no! Okay, it's not here either. Where is all the scrap? Give me some stuff. Oh, I can't write it on there. I didn't find anything. All for nothing. Okay, how can I escape? When there's so many of them, I can't escape by crossing a fence. They just hit all the time. Damn it! Go away. Maybe Claude broke the scrap spawning algorithm because there's literally none of it anymore. Oh, there's some 2 holes in a row. There we go. 8 scrap. That's all I have. Just be some scrap in these holes. Yay. Oh. There we go. Oh, there's scrap. I didn't mean to. Horde incoming. I already have a horde on me. Go here. No! Too stupid. Damn it. Damn it, no bullets. Oh, there was one camping behind. That's bad. They have like a party on my corpse when they kill me. Let's keep that in the game. The more and more of them coming. Keep this running for, see how long until it crashes. I'm so bad at this game. Oh, I found scrap. Just had a melee weapon. Knife these zombies. Come on. You all stay there. That was a good dodge. Still no scrap anywhere. I need to stop running on the roads, but if I run out somewhere else, I will die. There we go. 2. Wow. 10. God damn. Give me. Oh, that was a big one. Fast run out. Okay, lure all of them here. Then I will go and jump the fence. Oh, almost. Yeah, I think the fence also need to be a little bit faster. I think the timer is too long. Like it's just not possible to really evade them. It should be more like a movie feel, like you jump the fence and you basically evade them. But how is this not the danger area? There we go. One more scrap before I die. Oh, damn it. Oh, that was a good run though. 40. Now that I will have enough time to get used to this, the way the fences work, and now that Claude is building it the way I ask it to build it, then I'm not gonna like it. This whole, oh, this is crap. I also think there should be some kind of graphic when I get one of these things to really show how much I got, because now I just need to look at the scrap cog at the top right to see. There should be more like feel more rewarding. It's like, you know, you managed to get something. See, the second version of the game is spun up. It's doing something. It's gone. It really like Claude when it opens this this game instance. It really is just like it runs it like 2 seconds. The game opens directly the state it wants to test. And when it was testing the house or building transparency, just directly had a state where the character was standing behind the house. And we just opened it for a second and checked, okay, done. On Android, it really kind of, it goes through this process of, okay, opening, trying to find a button, pressing a button, going to the UI, and then taking a screenshot, trying to understand what's going on. This is much faster. The MCP is very good. Oh, I don't know what is responsible of. Oh, there's a lot of scrap. Responsible of this working so well. Damn it! Let me at least have this one. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's impressive how well it works with this game engine. Gonna take some time to figure out what would be the next items to the camp. Coffee pan, make you run faster. Maybe that could be a way, but it could change the balance quite quickly. If you run faster, you have no too easy to run away. I keep my mind keeps going to something like forts from Minecraft. Okay, I can start building armor and weapons and stuff like that. That's probably needed if I want to expand to more difficult areas. I kind of really want to have industrial, but I need to get the first game stuff working properly. I think the first thing would be to kind of create this kind of special find, basically finding a military base or something like that in the suburb randomly, and then being able to go there. But yeah, let's see. Okay, it's done. Oops, I killed the VS Code instead of killing the game. Let's open up. Maybe let's go to bed. Too old to be up this late. Okay. I'm gonna bring it here with you just in a second. Oh. We're back. But well, this is not the session we were at. I guess, okay, yeah, this is the right session. It just stopped. Well, I hope it doesn't just stop. Hope it kind of hugs the fence. Jump speed, same. Decrease the amount of time it takes to climb a fence. Jumping on a crater keeps you safe even if you land in it. Yes, good. Okay, let's see how it looks like and it feels like. Head out. So now I should be able to jump with the space. I don't like this style. I did ask it to. Okay, I did ask it to really kind of. So the terrain is actually squares. It just shows a kind of blended areas. But now everything here's they're not exactly squares. All of these as well because I asked it to. I cannot jump over. Can I jump over a car? I cannot. Okay, let's see how the fence interaction works. Good, yes. But now, yeah, I asked it to decrease the speed. But yeah, this is good. I think it's fine actually. I'm not happy with the styling of the holes, but you know we will live with that. It's not important. It's not like the game looks good anyway. Anyways. But yeah, I can go here and then I can press space to go over. Yeah. This works. This feels good. This feels very good. And jump over the hole. I wonder actually, because these craters are kind of holes, maybe they should slow down the zombies so you could run away by them by jumping like this. I think it could make sense, right? You could run away from zombies by jumping over these holes. But they're just craters. They're not meant to be like big holes. I suck at this game. All right. Zombies should be slowed down a bit when they go across a crater. That would then let me try to evade them by, you know, purposefully jumping over a one, because it's kind of a little bit of like a gamble. If I don't hit the jump right, I might fall. So I should get benefit from jumping over them. That looks a bit funny. It works though. I still can fall into them if I... There's a 50-50 chance of falling when you go over. Yeah, you can still fall. Good. Everything's good. Yeah, I think this is good. I like how the defenses work. I like how these things work. I don't like they look, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Like that. Yeah, it works. Every 3-second jump only, so no bunny hump jumping. Crap. Oh no. Oh no. I just said I'm getting better. No. There would have been so much more scrap here as well. Yeah, the movement feels actually quite fine. I wonder if my son is still able to play the game. He's not. This is the first computer game he ever played in his life. He played some some games on some Togo, the Germans know, but some Togo games on phone sometimes, but they're really super simple. He never really played. Oh, actually, no, he has played games before, because he played when he was very young, Stadia, when Stadia was still alive. Then when Stadia died, Google killed it. I keep telling him, he keeps asking, hey, can we play these car games? I was like, no, we can't. Google killed it. Google broke it. I was asked, why did Google break it? I said, well, go ask Google. Also, in our family, we have Google Homes around, and basically our kids have understood that Google isn't, very smart, because the way Google Homes work, even with the new Gemini stuff, it isn't really. They're pretty stupid. So Google, in our family, our kids who are quite young. They kind of, okay, well, Google isn't very smart. Oh man, it's sleepy music. Maybe it's time for go to bed. My cola is almost over. Damn it. Keep losing where my mouse is. So why did I run there if I didn't get any scrap? The freaking hole. Come on. How did I get rid of all of them? What happened? Where did they go? Oh, stuck on the water. I think it should go through the water. These are not very deep. That's the first time I get spam at Twitch. Sorry, I missed the YouTube comments. No, it's the assets are AI slop in a sense that these are Claude generated assets, but my intention for this is not really to build a game. It's more test the platform, test the kind of the Godot engine, and figure out what is capable, what it isn't. And I'm testing at the moment more like game mechanisms. So all the assets are generated by Claude. I gave it kind of instructions to get style from these old isometric games. I think the graphics look pretty horrible, but they're functional. They help me to test the gameplay and see how I feel about the gameplay. But then again, I'd never put this into Steam or something. With this, I'd rather hire an artist to make tiles or something. So I did the first generation of this was with Fable, and it didn't generate as such. It created the Python file to generate them. So it used the Python to generate things. So So yeah, it's not from Claude Design, or it's not from image generation API. It's really it's a vector assets generated with Python that was generated by Claude. So that's probably why it doesn't have the slop feeling, because it's worse than slop in that sense that the quality of the assets is really not super high. But like I said, to me, it's more about gameplay and stuff like that. If I ever were to try to build it as a real game, I think image assets is the part where I would hire a human to do it for me. I think as a software engineer, I don't think I need to write code manually anymore, probably ever. This is a good example. So this game was started just over 24 hours ago, and I had a full work day in between. So I haven't put more than maybe 6 hours in building this stuff, and it's kind of fully functioning game. But it's definitely isn't the game that I would sell on Steam without putting some proper like art direction by somebody who really understands it. Yeah, well, yeah, it has some of that stuff. But so the prompt I gave to Claude is I don't know if you know this old game called Blitzkrieg, which is back in the day when I was still playing computer games, maybe 15 years ago. It's like an isometric World War II RTS, which I really like. The graphics aren't very good in the game, but it was just enough to kind of me. Maybe it came because I used to build miniature models and stuff like that. So it was a little bit like playing with toys. So it has a little bit something like that. So that was a prompt I gave for Claude. But of course, it's unable to execute. Like you said, there's no image generation, so it cannot generate. And I explicitly told it not to copy. But even if I would have asked it to copy, it would not be capable to copy because it can't generate images. But yeah, it's functional. It's functional for game testing and gameplay testing and seeing if it would be fun to do. I did try to see if there would be like a free assets on a store that I could use that would be like a human created. I'm not in a place where I'm willing to pay assets because like I said, I don't plan to release the game. This is an example. If I release this, I will just put it in download somewhere. I'm definitely not going to ask for money. Let's see what Claude is up to. All right, it is now done something. I kind of forgot what I asked it to do last time. It's getting late. Yeah, so I wanted to increase the climb speed, and I wanted to make the zombies to fall in these crater holes, so I can run and outrun them by jumping over. Sorry, my internet lags a little bit. There's these lag spikes. I need to fix it before next stream. There's a small lag and then it comes back. So. Okay, we are back for another round. I have a lot of scrap, but I have nothing to buy anymore for my store because I haven't figured out what would be next thing to buy. I might do one more thing, but now I will test the jumping and the fence running speed, and then I will probably call it tonight because it's almost 1 o'clock at night here. There's a gun in the hole. Yeah, actually, yes, I'd still fall. Let me see if I can outrun the zombies by jumping there. Yeah, it works if I don't fail. Yeah, it's good. This is good. It gives me like this small, minute advantage over the zombies if I jump over the craters. Yeah, it's good. Let's see how the fence speed is. Yeah, it's better. I think it could even be a little bit. I think it could be like more like feeling like parkour, but now it's good. It's like yeah, you can use the fences to really avoid. Yeah, this works good. Good. Let's see if, oh no, this water is bad. I need to fix the water. There's like a small puddle and they get stuck in it. It doesn't feel right. Yeah, okay, let's try to find some scrap. Let's go and do a bit of adventure here. Can we use the terrain to escape even though we run slower? Oh no. Yeah. If we can. Oh yeah, guys. Yeah, it works. I think this is good. What's in here? I can use these fences to parkour away from the zombies. Nice. Even the craters, they give me just enough edge to be able to go here. Oh no, no, this wasn't a good idea. There we go. I even have shotgun shells left. Yeah, this works. I'm pretty happy actually with this, the current interaction with this. Oh, I fell into a hole. There's too many of these craters. It looks like shit, and the asset is not very good because it's rectangular, because the crit is rectangular. But yeah, the movement feels right. And I can use this. I didn't fix the water. Oh no, I pressed space too late. Yeah. Okay, this is good. I think I'll wrap the stream up for today. Thank you, folks, for watching. I think it was quite fun. The Godot engine is super good. I really like it. Open source engine that can do a lot of really interesting stuff. There's very little reason to use Unity, I think. Especially if you want to do some kind of easy hobby project. I'm not talking about professional game developers. I'm talking about somebody who just wants to dabble, see what the game engine can do for you. This is a very easy way to actually quite like the movement at the moment. It's challenging enough because if I screw up, I will die. Oh, these big guys need to be killed. Yeah, if I fix the water, I think it's gonna be fine. Oh yeah, this is annoying. I got stuck at the water and then I fell in the hole. And no bullets left. And these fast runners will kill you if you don't have any bullets left, because they eventually will slowly grind you down. Now I got bullets again. Yeah, it's good. It's jumping actually feels good. Nice. Screw you. No, hole. Don't know where all the scrap is. There. 47. That's a good run. Now I will die though. No, now I will die probably. Oh no. There's nothing I can do anymore. No bullets. No. Fence. Good. That was a lucky escape over the fence. New life. Give me bullets now. Oh, new best. That's a good way to end the evening. I will. The zombie party will finish the evening. I have a lot of scrap. I have nothing to buy with it. I need to figure out what to do next. But yeah. Oh, that was fun. I really enjoyed writing some stuff that isn't necessarily so serious, not for work. Super fun. Thanks everybody for watching. Thanks folks who gave some tips and suggestions. I think the game turns out to be fine. I might do another stream tomorrow evening. It depends how tired I am to write more. What I really want to do, I still want to create a second game mode, which is the base defense part of it. So basically, you build your base and you're being attacked in the base, and see how these two game modes work together. We can then talk about the next phases. And if somebody wants to try the game, just write to me. Mastodon is the best way to do it. Snap.social. Here's the Mastodon here. I'll send you a build, but I'll never ask money from this game. So cool. That's it. Thanks, folks.